cuties, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley, and if you're new here, welcome. And if you've been a subscriber, thank you for watching my crazy self. I do really freaking appreciate it. And if you are a new subscriber, hit the subscribe button so you just join the family. Let's be part of the family. I'm just saying, you're gonna want to join this cool ass family. So today I decided to do something really, I've been meaning to do this for a while because I'm trying to up my wardrobe. So I decided to declutter one of my closet. I call it my top closet. So it's basically everything that I wear on top. So let's just jump into the video. Let's go. Okay guys, as you can see, this is my closet. It has a mirror on it. Let me give you a far overview. So this right here is my top closet. This is what we are going to declutter today. I'm thinking of only decluttering shirts, but perhaps some shoes. Who knows? I don't know what I'm in the mood in. So let's just jump into it. So let's open it up. And let's start from here. Freaking mess. And these are my shirt. And those are all my shoes. This is one of my summer shirt. I can't get rid of this. This doesn't even fit me anymore. What was I thinking? What am I, a stripper? Love this. This is one of my favorite club tops. So cute. You have to always have a black dress. Keeping this. What was I thinking? No. And I think I wore this shirt in a recent video. Let's talk about it. California love. Keeping it. That's the thing. I'm going to try to only put things in this closet that I'm currently using. I literally don't even open this closet most of the time. That's I'm going out. So I'm trying to make a wardrobe that's an everyday wardrobe and then have pieces that I could dress up when I'm going out. So that was so easy. I think I have started becoming a master of what sparked joy, what's not working for me. Let's get rid of this. Decluttering is becoming my niche, calling my inner Maria Kondo. I'm going to put the things that I want. I think I'm going to rearrange it a little bit and then show you the pile that I don't. So let's do that. 38 pieces in my closet. So we're back in the days I used to have 78 pieces, 68 pieces, a lot of I was quantity over quality. And I saw some materials that I didn't like, so I'm planning on replacing this. So this probably will change, but I feel really good decluttering. I'm going to show you the pile that I do not want and going to donate. So here's the pile that I do not want. It's a lot of clothes, as we can see. That's a big pile. So yep, I'm planning to donate this clothes. that you all enjoyed that video. Comment down below and let me know what was like the hardest thing to get rid of in your closet. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. I'm just saying, you don't want to miss none of my videos. Seriously, just press it. Just do it right now. So anyways, I'll see you when I see ya. Peace. Bye.